Hey there, Dr. Luke here, and what we want to do today is go through a base for knee flexion, PAILs and RAILs. Now we can do this laying on our side, bringing our knee up into flexion and getting the stretch and base that way, and do our PAILs and RAILs from there. I like to use the wall to get my stretch here. I use some balance sticks, and I also use a foam pad to protect my knee. I bring that foam pad about 30 centimeters from the wall, and this is my active range of motion, okay? I want to get into my passive range, so I bring my knee close to the wall and then bring my foot up onto the wall, and then use my balance sticks to get us into this position. Okay, and so if you want to decrease the stretch, you just move your knee a little bit forward away from the wall. If you want to increase the stretch, you move your knee in towards the wall. So let's start our timer there. And we just want to get a nice stretch. With this one, posterior pelvic tilt, and getting that stretch through that quad muscle, and we're in knee flexion. Diaphragmatic breathing here. Breathe in as far as we can. Breathe out as far as we can. And nice and relaxed, getting into that stretch. Now our PAILs contraction for this one is going to be pushing into the wall. I'm going to be going into knee extension, and we're going to be pushing this way. 15 seconds, best effort, but a safe contraction. A RAILs contraction is going to increase that flexion. I'm going to be trying to lift make my foot lighter off the wall and pushing my heel towards my glute. And this contraction is going to be a 15-second contractions, both in PAILs and RAILs. So I'll count you in for the contraction. Just posterior pelvic tilt and get a good stretch. Okay, I'm going to count you in. Safe contraction, but best effort. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and contract. Pushing your foot into the wall. Really best effort here. Switching on those muscles, your quad muscles at the front there. Engaging. Push. And opposite contraction, we're trying to lift our foot off the wall, going into more flexion. Keep pushing. 3, 2, 1, and relax. And just relax into that stretch. So now we've got a 45-second stretch. Try and get into a better stretch if you can. I feel I can a little bit now, so I'm just going to bring my knee closer to the wall and getting a little bit more knee flexion there and a little bit more of a stretch. Fantastic. I'm going to count you in for another contraction there. 3, 2, 1, and contract. This is our PAILs contraction, pushing into the wall. Hard as we can. Really push hard. 3, 2, 1. Now try and lift your foot off the wall. Contracting into more flexion, bringing your heel into your glute. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax into a new stretch again. Make sure you've got posterior pelvic tilt there. and just resting into this stretch and doing your breath work. Another 15 seconds. So making sure you're doing this exercise in the pain-free range, no pinching or sharpness, and the contractions as well. You be the coach, and that's it. Now we can slowly come out of this base. And fantastic, that's how we do a knee flexion, pails and rails using the wall and balance sticks. So give that a go.